Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. If you're a Mac user on the lookout for the best printer, you've landed on the right channel. We're dedicated to bringing you daily quality content to help you make informed decisions about various products. Today, we're diving into the realm of printers, focusing on the perfect match for your Mac setup. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and stay connected for more tech insights. Let's get started on finding the ideal printer for your Mac needs. Number 1. HP DeskJet 2720E. Designed with Mac users in mind, the HP DeskJet 2720E all-in-one wireless printer is a delightfully minimal and compact printer that'll complement the MacBook Pro and iMac M1, but should also appeal to anyone who wants a printer that won't take up too much desk space. It has full AirPrint compatibility, which makes it a breeze to print from any Apple device, and there's no need to fiddle with drivers or plug-in cables. It's a cheap option, and it won't offer the best quality for high-end design work or photos. However, it is versatile, with the option to scan and copy as well as print. Its connectivity means that you can get high-quality scanning and sharing, plus easily make copies, from your smartphone using the HP Smart app. There are also built-in wireless capabilities and Bluetooth, which gives you another way to print fast from iPhone or iPad. Number 2. Epson Workforce Pro. Aimed more at small businesses rather than individuals, this Epson Workforce Pro is a good choice if you're after a printer that everyone in a studio can share, and which can do all those extra things you're likely to need such as scanning and copying. It boasts AirPrint compatibility for printing from any Apple device, as well as an Ethernet port so that anyone on your office network can print with ease. With a decent print speed and lots of room for paper, nobody should be kept waiting for their prints. It's also cheaper to run than most inkjets since it uses Epson's XL cartridges that can go for up to 2,600 pages. They offer a lot more value for money than standard cartridges, making this printer almost as cheap to maintain as a laser printer. Number 3. Epson SureColor SCP-5000. This is our pick as the best printer for Mac if you're a serious designer who needs quality prints larger than A4. There's no denying that the Epson SureColor SCP-5000 is very expensive, not to mention incredibly heavy. But if you need to print at poster size, we reckon it's worth every penny. It goes up to A2, and in terms of print quality it beats every other printer in this roundup, as you might reasonably expect. The SureColor SCP-5000 uses a set of 10 Epson Ultrachrome HDX pigment inks that enable it to reproduce 99% of the Pantone solid-coated color range. Combined with an internal color calibration sensor, this means that anything that comes out of it is going to look absolutely stunning. Number 4. Canon Pixma. Look at the price of this Canon Pixma and you might not think it counts as budget, but, as you probably know, with cheap printers the cost of ink cartridges can often quickly add up. And that's where this printer comes into its own. Instead of cartridges, it uses refillable ink tanks, and it comes with enough ink for 6,000 black and white pages and 7,700 color pages. It's also AirPrint compatible and it can scan and copy as well as print. It's not the fastest printer in the world, but if you have an eye on the bottom line, we think it's well worth considering. This wireless SuperTank, Megatank, printer not only offers seamless printing but also functions as a copier and scanner, providing a versatile solution for your home or office needs. With its sleek black design, it effortlessly complements any space. The G3260 takes convenience to the next level with mobile printing capabilities, ensuring you can print from your smartphone or tablet with ease. Number 5. Brother DCP-L3550CDW. If you love the smell of hot toner in the morning and absolutely must have a laser printer to go with your Mac, we'd recommend the Brother DCP-L3550CDW all-in-one wireless laser color printer. It's big and heavy but spits out pages at a fair old lick, and it can do color prints as well, with separate cyan, magenta and yellow toner cartridges bringing decent color results. It'll connect wirelessly as well as via network or USB, and like many of the printers listed here it can also be used for scanning and copying. It'll also hold up to 250 sheets of paper, so if you need lots of pages printed really fast, this is an option to go for. In sleek black, this standard-sized cartridge ensures sharp, professional quality prints every time. Designed to seamlessly integrate with your Brother printer, it delivers consistent results and reliable performance. Whether you're handling important documents, presentations, or vibrant images, this original toner cartridge has got you covered. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for an in-depth review, where we'll explore the TN243BK's printing capabilities, longevity, and overall value.